Greetings, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, dear friends, and how are you today? If you're feeling a bit tired, a bit jaded, that's me right about now. Been a long day, been a day where I've really been on deep work, focusing, and I've been aware a couple of times during the day that my body's tired. I really should. Would have been nice if I'd actually taken my own advice and had a bit of a breathing break around 4 o'clock instead of ploughing on through. So don't do what I do. Really, just don't. It's just not worth it. It really isn't worth it. You're worth more than ploughing through and ignoring your body. I'm never quite sure what's happening to my hair sometimes. You know, do you get that? You feel you're okay, then as soon as you get in front of a camera you think, oh my god, I should have checked my hair before I started recording. Oh well, c'est la vie. So what we're going to practice today, it's called, I'm not sure, I call it snake breathing. And it was a firm favourite when I used to practice children's yoga. They loved it. And I know that you're going to love it just as much as the children do, and much as I love doing it as well. So, snake breathing, it's basically you're hissing like a snake, in essence. And it's such an energising breath because it really helps to, all breath work, it helps to calm the nervous system. Yeah, it kicks in the parasympathetic nervous system and just helps to restore a sense of calm and balance to your day. So if you feel your energy flagging, then give us a go. So, as I said before, we call it snake breathing. Well, I call it snake breathing. And all you've got to do is pretend you're a snake. And if you've got young children, they're going to love this as well. So, you know a snake just hisses? Yeah? That's what we're going to do. So, as with all breathing exercises, please set your intention. Whatever it is brought you to this call, this video, find your centre, find your calm, lengthen up through the spine to really get a sense of sitting on your sitting bones, lengthen up through the spine. If you're on a chair, have your feet flat on the floor with the toes pointing forwards. You can rest your hands on your lap, whichever feels comfortable for you. And get ready to do some hissing like a snake. Bring some fun, bring some laughter, and bring some play into this practice. So sitting up tall and straight. Take a couple rounds of everyday breaths, breathing out through the mouth just to settle yourself. So breathing in. And again. And can you feel the difference just doing those 3 full breaths? When you focus on your breathing, you breathe out, you send a message to your brain that, oh, it's okay, things are okay, I'm calm, I'm safe. And that automatically helps you to wind down, to slow down and stop the frenzied thoughts splaying through your mind. That's a little tip there. So I've done the 3 breaths to calm myself down. Now the next time, take a full breath, breathe in from the belly area, breathe in, and just pretend you're a snake. Just hiss on the out breath. So, bit of movement. Inhale. Full inhalation and hiss. And again, 3 more. Breathe in. Keep hissing that out breath. Ooh, gets your energy, doesn't it? And again, breathe in. And one more. Let's go for full glory. The biggest, loudest, baddest, hissing breath snake exercise ever. Okay? So sitting up tall and straight, breathe in, full breath in. Well done. And just be still for a few more moments. Come back to your breath, your everyday breath. And just notice what you notice about the way you feel, the way you're breathing, the space between your ears. Well done. Well done. Gosh. Awesome. High five, pat on the back, self-love. Yes, you've done it. Well done, dear friends. Excellent work. Well done. As you can see, rather than pushing through, rather than struggling, take a moment, press pause, give yourself permission, set the timer on your phone for 1 minute and just practice a few rounds of hissing snake breath. All you got to do is sit up, take a full breath in and just hiss on the out breath. Well done. So, that's it. How do you feel? Do let me know in the comments below. Do tell your friends and share this video with anyone who you know needs a 2-minute break. And let me know, are there any particular meditation tips, exercises, breathing practices you want me to sort of share with you? I don't know everything, I know a bit, and I'm really happy to share what I know, what has worked for me and for my clients. And obviously, all the science out there nowadays just proving how great breath work and yoga meditation is. So we're in great company. So I'll see you tomorrow, same time, 6 o'clock, over here, Facebook Live. And until then, be well, take care, namaste, and thank you. Cheers. Take care. Bye now.